everyone, welcome to my channel at Tube. And for today I'm going to give you a short explanation about quadratic equations and how do we identify them very easily. So firstly, let's see what's a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is second degree of algebraic expressions. They are written in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So this is a formula standard, actually it's a standard formula for writing quadratic equations. The name quadratic equation, the name quadratic comes from a Latin word, and it comes from the Latin word quadratus, which refers to square, so which indicates or refers that the variable x in the formula of a quadratic equation is going to be squared, or there is an squared variable in a quadratic equation. So in this quadratic equation, there are different standard units and they are named in their own ways. Let's explain each of them. So in this quadratic equation, a and b are coefficients while c is a constant. If you ask what is a coefficient for, what is b coefficient for, that's an easy question because a is a coefficient for x squared. She's not a coefficient for x, she's not a coefficient for c, she's a coefficient for x squared, and b is a coefficient for x. So in this quadratic equation, b is the numerical coefficient for x and a is the numerical coefficient for x squared, while c is always a constant number. So this is all about quadratic equations and the standard, and to identify them easily, I already told you, you just have to search for a squared number. If there is any variable that's squared in an equation, it will be called a quadratic equation. This is all for today. Please like and subscribe. See you next time, and in the next video I'll show you easy methods to solve any quadratic equations.